It's easy for your Facebook account to collect many photos over time. If you want to start over or simply get rid of old pictures, deleting them one by one can take a lot of time. Luckily, Facebook now has features that let you manage and delete photos in large groups. First, you can use your mobile device. Go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, log into your account. Then, after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. Once you're in the settings page, you need to search for Activity Log. Or you can also simply scroll down from this page over here and search for Activity Log, which you'll find under your Activity section. Now, from this page, you can go ahead and manage your post, tags, interactions, your groups, events, reels, your profile information, your connections, and logged actions. Now, let's go ahead and tap on Manage Your Post. Once you're in this page, you can select this filter icon over here to choose only photos. Tap on Categories, and then tap on Photos and Videos. And here you'll get all the photos and videos that you're looking for. Then you can select the photos that you want to delete. You can select as many photos at once and then move to trash. And after selecting your photos, and this photo will stay in the trash for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Or you can go ahead and select this recycle bin option and delete it right away from here. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.